I reached out to one of the top agents that was in my brokerage, and I knew she represented a builder. So I said, hey, if you wouldn't mind, I would love to sit in the models. Now, the average home price in my area, $187,000 around that time, and I was sitting in $450,000 model homes. I found myself from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. sitting in a model home, and I'm like, oh man, like no one's coming through here. So I really wasn't getting the leads that I needed at the volume and the scale that I needed. So what did I do? I then got smarter. Instead of sitting in one model for 4 hours, from 12 to 1:30, I'm gonna sit in a model that's $150,000 to $225,000. So I needed something that was fresh just at the market. So I would reach out to other agents that are in my office, and I was sending out emails saying, if you have something that's been on the market less than 14 days, I would love to do an open house for you this weekend. Within the next half hour, I would pick up my signs, everything. I would drive to the other side of town or somewhere else where it was a little bit higher model now.